Sunil will join in time. Okay, I'm started. I am starting my Zoom platform, and I'd like to connect with my fellow teachers, Mr. Sunil Parsaram More from India. You can see here. Dear viewers, our today's topic is about our today's topic is about SDG goal number 4, quality education. And our first point is about our pet animals. Then second point is about quality education. I'm waiting for my partner. Hope you'll enjoy the session. I would like to invite you to mention us if you find any drawbacks. I have to write something to Sunil. Okay, I wrote Sunil to join. I think he will join. This will be a nice session. Okay, Sunil, I'm waiting for you. Let me check whether my live is working or not. Okay, I think my live is working. Yes. So let's wait for Sunil. Hello. Hello, guys. I'm waiting for my fellow teachers, Mr. Sunil Parsaram More from Maharashtra, India. I think it will be a nice session. I'm from Bangladesh. I have given him the link and I have written him to join. But unfortunately, he has not joined yet. So guys, keep watching. If you have any comment, you can just pick it. You can put up in the comment box. I'm waiting for Sunil. Good afternoon, sir. Good noon, sir.
Good noon, sir. Good noon, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, let's start our session. You know, our today's session is SDG goal number 4, quality education. And first point is about our fat animals. I'm starting my slide.
Yes.
Then you will start. Okay, let me start my slide. Okay, I have already published it into our group. And I would like to request you to write something after completing the session. I'd like to invite you to write something in our WhatsApp group so that our guide and Honorable Yogesh Sarji will see our activity.
Yes.
Okay. SDG goal number 4, quality education. This is an international experience, India and Bangladesh. And this is Mizanur Rahman, you know. And the viewers can see my information from our video. And session 7 about animals and about quality education. About animals. What is fat animals? I have draw a mind map here. What is fat animals? Then number 2, do I have animals? And number 3, would I like animals? And number 4, my favorite animals. And number 5, what kinds of animals? Let me show you what are fat animals. You know, a fat or companion animal is an animal kept primarily for a person's company, entertainment, or as an act of compassion, such as taking in and protecting a hungry stray cat, rather than as a working animal, livestock, or laboratory animals. Can I clear the definition to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I have written it from myself.
Very nice, sir. Nice, sir. Very nice.
Okay. Do I have a fat animals? You know,
Yes.
I am now living in a small town with my nuclear family. That means
Yes.
my wife, I myself and my kids. So this is impossible for me to keep a fat animal. When I had been living in my rural village, I love to keep fat animal. I have not any fat animals, but I had a cow when I was younger, and I had a fat dog too in my younger life when I was when my boyhood.
Yes. Yes.
And favorite animals, cow is my favorite animals because as a domestic animals, Cows are usually calm and innocent in nature. Cow is top of
Yes,
my
yeah.
list of favorite as a pet for leisure time. Cows give us milk. Cow dung is very popular in our country as fuel. We also
Yes,
use
yes.
cow dung as a fuel.
Yes.
Then there are some kinds of animals you can see in the picture. There are many kinds of animals in our country, such as cows, goats, buffaloes, hens, dogs, cats, rabbits, are worth mentioning. These are the some animals of our country, pet animals of our
Yes.
country.
Yeah.
You can see here a cattle farm. This is a picture of cattle farm. Our cattle
Yes.
farmers are working in the cattle farm. You can see many types of cows. Then this is the pictures of goat farm. You can see here goat farm. This is
Yes.
also a goat farm. And you can see here sheep farm. There are three pictures of sheep farm. In our country, sheep is also fat animals. These are also very useful animals. And buffalo farms, you can see here buffalo.
Yes. Yes.
Rabbit farms, you can see here many type of rabbits. And domestic cat. Cat are keep in the house. You can see here many type of cats. And you can also see here domestic dog. In Bengali, people like to keep a dog to protect themselves from thief. And the dogs are very faithful animal.
Yes. Yes. Faithful and loyal animal dog.
And this is the end of my first point of my slide.
Yes.
Now I think you can share something with me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir, I'd like to give you permission. I'm giving you
Yes.
permission. Yes, you are now permitted to share your screen.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I can see. Very nice picture. With your family.
This is
Very
my
nice.
family photo.
You, Sunil More, Prathamesh Parsaram More, Anaya Parsaram More, and your life partner. Can you please tell me your wife's name again?
Rushali Cyril More.
Sorry.
HRUSHALI. Rushali.
Rushali Parsaram More.
Cyril More. Yes.
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 Okay. Okay, sir. Carry on. Continue.
Yes. We are continue our 7th session. In that session, we are discussing about our country animals. In that point, pets in your country. In India, same animal you have already shown to me.
Yes.
Same animals, cat, dogs, tigers. These are also same found in India as well as in Bangladesh.
Yes.
Do you have any pets? I have a cat at my home, but now she is not present. I like cat as well as you also like cow. I also like cows. If you don't, would you like to? I like in my home. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is also a cow because she is very useful. Wild animals are there in your country. Tiger, lion, these are same we can see in Bangladesh as well as in India. Same animals we can see both countries. How do you feel about zoos? I think zoo is a very safe place for the animals because they are free wandering here and there. But because of the urbanization, they are going out of the zoos and enter in cities and create problem for people. Do you think that animals have emotions? Yes, you can see. You have shown already the picture of dog. Dog is a faithful and loyal animal, and it is very useful for us.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now I can show. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, 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 I can see.
Now I will show you the animals in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the state of India. India's national animal tiger. In Marathi, we can say wag. English tiger. Marathi word
Yes.
for tiger is wag.
What? Yes.
Yes. State of Shikaru. MH means Maharashtra. In Maharashtra
Shikaru.
states animal Shekaru, giant squirrel. Shekaru is the word for giant squirrel. Shekaru is the Marathi word.
Yes. State animal.
State animal of Gujarat is the state of India. And
Yes, yes, yes.
in Marathi, we can say that Simha.
Singha. Yes. Lion.
State Kerala, Karnataka, Jharkhand. There is elephant, the state animal, and we can say in Marathi Hatti.
Hatti. Yes, yes. In
For the
Bangla, in
elephant-
Bangla, in Bangla, we call it also. We also call it Hatti.
Yes, same word is yes, yes.
Yes.
In Bihar state, Goa, Nagaland, you can see the state animal Indian bison, and in Marathi gaur.
Oh. Yes.
Next state Rajasthan, favorite the state animal is camel,
Camel.
and in Marathi you can say unt. Yes, unt. Marathi.
Yes.
Marathi word for camel is unt.
Yes.
Next state Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Barsinga is the state animal of Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Indian capital Delhi. Nilgai is the state animal of Delhi.
Yes. Nilagai.
Meghalaya spotted leopard.
Spotted leopard.
In Himachal Pradesh. Yes. In
Yes.
Snow leopard, the state animal.
Himachal Pradesh.
Yes. Bird Vidya. Word for leopard. This is the animal deer. It is very simple animal, and in Marathi
Deer.
for that deer the word harin.
Harin. Yes. Yes. We also call it harin.
Yes, same word.
Yes.
Deer. This is the animal Marathi, we can say Aswal. What it say in Bangla or that Aswal or another. Have you seen in Bangladesh this animal?
Bear, yes, yes, bear. We called it bhaluk.
Yes, yes. In India also we can say balu. Yes, yes, same. Next,
Yes,
this animal monkey. In Marathi we can say makad. What we say sir, in Bandar?
yes, yes.
In your
Monkey.
Yes.
Banner.
in Bangla monkey.
Also in Bangla, we also call it banner.
What sir? Repeat. Banner.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. In Marathi also say wanar or makad. Yes, yes. Next animal is porcupine.
Calendar.
In yes, cylinder. These are the different types of cows.
Yes,
You can see the picture.
yes.
Different, their shapes are very different and very useful animal for India as well as in Bangladesh.
Of course, of course.
Next animal is
Wolves.
it
Wolves.
is in Maharashtra, we say the friend of farmer because it helps all the farmers every time.
Yes, yes, yes.
We are shown the picture of buffalo. I can take this picture from Google.
Yes, buffalo.
Now I will show you the national birds of India. This is the picture of peacock.
Yes, yes.
In Marathi, it's in Bangla, what we say, sir?
In Bangla, we call it moyur.
Yes, yes, yes. In Hindi, we also say Mayur.
Yes.
State birds. In Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Odisha, Indian roller is the state bird. You can see the picture.
Yes, very nice.
Arunachal
Arunachal.
Pradesh and Kerala. Yes, this is the state name, Arunachal Pradesh and Kerala. In that state, Dusar Dhanesh in Great Hornbill.
Great
You can see
hornbill.
that. Next. In Assam state, Dio hands, right? Winged wood duck. In
Dio
Assam
hens.
state. Sir.
Yes. Bihar.
Yes.
Sparrow.
Next state, Narrow. Yes. In Meghalaya,
Hilmoina.
Hill Mana. Mana.
Yes.
First state,
Goa.
Bulbul.
Bulbul. Yes.
Yes.
These two birds are common in our country also. Bulbul is available in our
Yes.
country and Moina, hill moina is also available in our country.
Yes, yes, yes. We are very close, sir. In the next step, Gujarat, you can see
Yes.
the bird named Hansavar. In English, greater flamingo.
Yes, greater flamingo.
Yes, yes, yes. In Haryana, black franklin.
Haryana.
In Hindi, we can say titar.
Yes.
In next state, Himachal Pradesh,
Yes.
western Etopan. In Hindi, you can say Jevar.
Yes.
Jammu Kashmir state, we can see the black naked grain. In
Black
Hindi
neck.
or Marathi, we can say Saras. Yes, Saras.
Saras. Yes. Jammu and Kashmir. Yes.
Next,
Jharkhand. Jharkhand.
Jharkhand state. Yes. Asian koel. Her
Yes.
sound is very sweet for listening. Koel.
Yes. Yes. We called it cuckoo. Kukil.
Yes, yes, cuckoo bird. We have
Yes.
many poems on word in the
Yes.
syllabus. Next, Madhya Pradesh, Indian paradise, fly catcher. Do the art, we can say in yes.
Yes. In Bangladesh,
In
we called it.
Manipur,
In Bangladesh, we called it kathokra.
yes, yes, yes. In Manipur, next state, fruits, essence.
Yes. Yellow-footed green pigeon.
Yes, yellow-footed green pigeon.
Yes.
Crow. In that word in Marathi, crow.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Next bird, Maina.
Yes.
Cock and
Yes.
hen. We can see
Yes,
in
yes.
Bangladesh as well as in India.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes,
Kingfisher, pigeon are available in Bangladesh also. Duck,
And duck.
crane. Yes, yes. These two birds are also available in Bangladesh.
These are the animals we can see India. Now, I would like to give you permission.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
If you continue the second part of the meeting, or I shall continue.
Okay, okay. You can continue.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. It's clear to me.
National Education Policy, school education.
Yes.
Agenda, vision and key principles, universal access and early childhood education, how children will learn, curricular structures, curriculum, learning outcomes, competencies, schools, complex, accreditation, teachers, education and development, NEP, new features, key focus areas, equity, gender, special needs, goals and implementation plan. This is the
Yes.
agenda of National Education Scheme. Vision of the National Education Policy 2020. An education system that contributes to an equitable and vibrant knowledge society by providing high quality education to all. Second
Yes.
point, develops sense of respect towards the fundamental rights, duties and constitutional values bonding with one's country and a conscious awareness of the one's role and responsibilities in a changing world.
Yes.
Third, vision instill skills, values and dispositions that support responsible commitment to human rights, sustainable development and living and global well-being, thereby reflecting a truly global citizen.
Yes.
Three principles of NEP. Respect for diversity and local contexts. In all curriculum, pedagogy and policy, equity and inclusion as the correctness of all educational decisions, community participation, encouragement and education for philanthropic, private and community participation, use of technology, in teaching and learning, removing language barriers for diving students, and in educational planning and management. Emphasizes conceptual understanding rather than role learning and learning for exams. Unique
Yes.
capabilities recognize identifying them in each student.
Yes.
Next, critical thinking and creativity to encourage logical decision making and innovation. Continuous review based on sustained research and regular assessment by educational experts.
Yes. Nice.
Universal access to early childhood care and education.
Yes.
Universal access for children of 3 to 6 years, access to free, safe, high quality ECCE and a new idea preschool, you can say kindergarten. Then foundational learning curriculum for age group of 3 to 8 divided into two parts, from age 3 to 6 is and ECCE and age 6 to 8 in class and first and second in primary school.
Yes.
Then
Multiplicated.
yes, flexible, multi-level, play-based, activity-based, and inquiry-based learning.
Learning. Yes.
Preparatory classes. Prior to the age of 5, every child will move to a preparatory class or Bhavatika, that is before class first. Implementation to be jointly carried out by Ministry of HRD, Women and Child Development, Health and Family Welfare, and Tribal Affairs. These are the ensuring universal access to educational at all levels.
Yes.
I will not explain all the things. I will only showing you the PPTs.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Funded outcomes. These are the outcomes: universalization of access, equity of inclusion out for school children, SDG goal, foundational literacy and numeracy, 21st century skills, school complexes, governance, language, common standards.
Common standard. Yes. Common
How
standard.
children transforming curricular and pedagogical structures. These are the structures.
Yes.
EC framework, research and best practices, multi-faceted framework, school preparation module.
Yes. Early childhood
Next.
education.
Yes, next topic, early childhood education, learning in the formative years.
Yes.
You can see this PPT.
Yes. Yes. Developing cues. Yes.
Grade 3 in mission mode. These are the main key points. Now, next topic is curriculum.
Yes.
Reduction in curriculum, core essential, critical thinking, interactive classes, experiential learning.
Yes.
Then focus on yellows, competencies and subjects integration. Mental and physical health and well-being. This is also important factor.
Yes.
Health checkups, reduce weight, full bags, mandatory skill, health and wellness, hiring counselors in school complexes, focus on children and disabilities, inclusive and care culture at school. This is the next point.
Yes.
Textbook with local content and flavor.
Yes, sir.
How should our textbooks should be? in future and India's leadership role in upcoming fields. Computational thinking, mathematical thinking and problem solving, computational thinking, including contemporary subjects in schools. Knowledge of India. Next topic. Examination in grade 1st to 8th. Key stages assessment, achievement of critical loss, moving away from role learning, result of school examination.
Yes.
These are the important factors. Now I would end my show, and last one topic is that we have already discussed about that teacher education also is important for us. 4-year integrated course, B.Ed. 2
Yes.
B.Ed, 1 year B.Ed. Improving teacher education, it is also important for us.
Yes.
Teacher requirement and development. TET is essential. Teacher is for all teachers across foundational, preparatory, and stage and private schools.
Yes.
Compulsory. Without TET, there is section of teachers in India. Teach best planning for teacher requirement, certificate courses, transparent transfer system, test score, demonstration, part of recruitment. These are the essential factors. Empowering teachers. Next, school leadership. Key focus areas. These are focus areas. Gender identities, socio-cultural identities, geographical identities, disabilities, socio-economic conditions.
Conditions. Yes. Ensuring equity. Then gender.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Supporting children with special. Some children have special needs.
Special needs. Yes.
For that. Integrating vocational education at all levels.
Yes.
Setting up Bharat. 21st century skill is important. Promoting critical and creative thinking. Lighten to the 21st century in classroom.
Yes.
Now students be talented. NCERT and NCT guidelines. Online and digital education. Inclusion and access, blended learning, content creation, digital platform, pilot studies, expansion of platforms.
Yes.
Education and lifelong learning.
Goals and timelines. Yes. Timeline for implementation and National Education Policy 2020. Yes.
These are 3 new features: preparation for schooling and elementary schooling level, school infrastructure and resources, holistic development of the student, inclusivity, assessments, curriculum, pedagogical framework, teacher recruitment, teacher education, role of departments, audits, institution. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Very nice presentation. You have collected a lot of data. You have made a nice presentation. You have showed the whole education system of India. I'm afraid I can't enrich my PPT. I just make a formality. As
Yes,
I can't, I
every
could not
time you are share.
able to get enough time. Okay, now I would like to share my second
Yes, yes.
part of my PPT.
Yes.
Okay, we just stop sharing. I'm sharing now. As you see, my second part of my PPT. Okay, here it is. And a great problem. Okay. Okay. You can see here my domestic SDG norm for quality education. Our national education policy 2010. I have described a lot of things in the morning session about our national education policy 2010. I have described about the indicators, aim and objectives of our national policy 2010. Now, what is new education policy in 2020? I'd like to tell something about our new education policy 2020. The Union Cabinet in July 2020 approved the new education policy NEP, which aims at universalization of education from preschool to secondary level. The Union Cabinet in July 2020 approved the new education policy, which aims to universalize the education from preschool to secondary level. In Bangladesh, all citizens must undertake 12 years of compulsory education, which consists of 8 years at primary school level and 4 years at high school level. This is compulsory. This is primary education compulsory is in our country.
Yes.
How can we improve education system in Bangladesh? Establish multimedia classrooms, MMC, across all primary and secondary schools. You know, in Bangladesh,
Yes.
most of our schools establish a multimedia classroom. Whether it's primary or it's a secondary school. Some sector in college section also established a multimedia classroom. Introduce ICT course in all postgraduate colleges of Bangladesh. Fully implement Bangladesh Research Network, BDRIN. Link national curriculum to global standards like PISA. The National Education Policy says students until class 5 should be taught in the mother tongue or regional language. The policy also proposed phasing out of all institutions offering single streams, and that all universities and colleges must aim to become multidisciplinary by 2014.
Yes.
It will help students to develop scientific temper from a young age. The National Education Policy aims to make it easier to set up new quality of higher educational institutes which will be at par with the global standard. Classification of teacher. There may be appointed in a school a headmaster and assistant headmaster and such number of teachers to be designated as senior teacher, assistant teacher and junior teacher, as the appointing authority may fix in this behalf of consultation with the board or such authority as the board a person serving in a school and selected for appointment as a teacher in another school shall before joining his new appointment, produce a clearance certificate from the school he lives.
Yes. Yes.
Managing committee. In our country, to organize or to run the school, we need managing committee. We have managing committee. The managing committee may, in exceptional circumstance and with the approval of the board or such officer as it may authorize in this behalf, appoint part-time teachers but not headmasters and assistant headmasters on contract.
Yes.
Qualification of teachers. The minimum qualification and experience for appointment the different categories of teachers shall be as specified in the schedule below, provided that the requirement of experience may be relaxed to by 2 years in case of candidate who is considered exceptionally brilliant in the educational career. Headmaster.
Yes.
School section. For school section, the head, that means the center of the school is headmaster. Second class master's degree with BA
Yes.
or its equivalent degree from a recognized university and 10 years experience in teaching on a educational administration. You know, second class master degree with BA. To be a headmaster, a person need second class master's degree with BA or second class bachelor degree with second class BA or its equivalent degree from a recognized university and 12 years experience in a teaching, educational and administration. Bachelor degree with BA or its equivalent degree from a recognized university and 15 years experience in a teaching or educational administration. These are the qualities of a headmaster.
Yes.
Assistant headmaster. Second class, the qualifications need same for a headmaster and a assistant headmaster. Second class bachelor degree with BA or its equivalent degree from a recognized university and 8 years experience in teaching or educational institution. Bachelor degree with BA or its equivalent degree from a recognized university and 12 years experience in teaching or educational administration. Education is, yes, 12 years. You know, I have 15 years experience in teaching and I am an assistant.
Very nice.
Yes, yes.
Senior teacher.
Yes. Then senior teacher. Senior teacher, same experience, bachelor degree with BA or its equivalent degree from recognized university or Kamil degree from a recognized madrasa. Madrasa means religious institution of Muslims. Bachelor degree with BA or its equivalent degree from a recognized university or Kamil degree from a recognized madrasa. For senior teacher. Assistant teacher. Bachelor degree from a recognized university or Fazil degree from a recognized madrasa. Bachelor degree from a recognized university or Fazil degree from a recognized madrasa. Junior teacher, SSC or SSC from a recognized board with training from institute recognized by the board of Alim certificate from a recognized madrasa. Now I would like to tell you our scale and pay, our scale of pay. Every school shall subject to the approval of the board or such officer as may be authorized by it in his behalf, prescribe a time scale of pay for all categories of the teachers specified in regulation. The time scale of pay prescribed under sub-resolution 1 shall be subject to revision in accordance with the decision of board from time to time.
Yes.
Probation. All teachers on appointment shall be on probation for a period of 2 years. And on satisfactory completion of the period of probation, a probationer shall be confirmed in service. You know, in our country, we have to do our job for probationary year. we have to do
in our
temporary 2 years temporary job. Then after completing
in
our
our
job,
state.
yes, successfully, the authority appoint us finally. Yes, where a probationer fails to show satisfactory progress during his period of probation, and the appointing authority is of opinion that his work or conduct as a teacher is not satisfactory and he is not likely to improve, the appointing of authority may discharge him or extend his probation by a further period not exceeding 1 year.
Yes.
Then higher initial pay to a teacher. The appointing authority may, in a very exceptional circumstance to be noted in writing, allow higher initial pay to a teacher who joins the school after resigning his post in another school. In that case, authority noted in writing allow higher initial pay. Now, I'd like to tell you duties and responsibilities of a teachers in our country. A teacher shall be responsible to: number 1, teach the students in accordance with the curriculum, syllabus, class routine by means of lesson notes, group discussions, demonstration, etc. Number 2, make personal contacts with the students for their individual guidance. Number 3, assist the school authorities in conducting examination, organizing laboratories and other curricular and co-curricular activities. Number 4, supervise extracurricular activities of the students of the school. And number 5, perform such other function as may be assigned to him from time to time by the managing committee or the headmaster, as the case may be, in the interest of the school. These are the duties and responsibilities of a teacher. And prohibition of a private tuition, etc. No whole-time teacher shall accept with the previous permission of the appointing authority accept any private tuition or any other employment or engagement with or without remuneration involving his services in addition to his normal work in the school. These are prohibited in our country to take any private tuition. Those who are appointed as a paying teacher, full-time teacher. Okay. And age of retirement, the age of superannuation of a teacher shall be 60 years, and a teacher may be permitted by the appointing authority to continue in the service of the school till the end of the year in which he attains 60 years. 60 years is the service length of our institution. And this is the end of my slide. This is the end of my slide. I'd like to thank you for cooperation, sincere cooperation.
One more point I have. Please give me a chance to share my screen.
Sorry, sir.
I have a point. Please give me a chance to share my screen, sir.
Okay. You can share. If you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, I can see.
In India, teaching jobs, entrance exams, how the teacher is
Yes.
teacher eligibility test, TET entrance exam.
Yes.
TET is well as an Indian entrance exam for teachers.
Yes.
TET entrance exam divided in 2 parts, which is called exam first and exam second. And
Yes.
it is prepared by both central government and state government in India. Qualifications
Yes.
for the person to be eligible for appointment as a teacher in any of the school referred to in clause of section 2 the RTE Act is that he or she should pass the teacher eligibility test TET, which will be conducted by the appropriate government.
Wow, very fine.
The next is NCTE. Next exam is Central Teacher Eligibility Test CTE. CPSE also conduct Central Teacher Eligibility Test CTE to be eligible to teach in the school of the central government in India. States
Yes.
are free to conduct their own STT, State
Yes.
Teacher Eligibility Test, or
Yes.
honor CTT, Teacher Eligibility Test.
Yes, in our country, we have also NTRCA, non-government teachers registration and certification authority. In our country also
Yes,
an organization, but lacking of time, I can't gather every information in my PPT. Okay, you continue, sir.
Yes. Then the next exam, state level teacher eligibility test, STT, is
Yes.
eligibility test conducted by states. STT will be compulsory and essential requirement for securing a teaching job in all types of schools. State governments or union territories have to draw guidelines as per as the norms laid down by NCT. Schools owned and managed by the state government or local bodies and aided school shall consider the TET conducted by the state government. However, a state government can also consider the CTET if it decides not to conduct a state TET. Then the next exam is NET, National Eligibility Test.
National eligibility.
This
Yes.
exam is conducted by UGC.
Yes. Yes.
It's conducted for determining the eligibility of Indian nationals for the eligibility for assistant professor only or junior research fellowship and eligibility for assistant professor both in Indian universities and colleges.
Yes.
Next exam, state level eligibility test or state eligibility test. In short form, we can say SLET or TET. The state level eligibility test is conducted in English in all states in India and in some universities also. States opted to conduct their own test, that is state level eligibility test.
Yes.
SLET or lecture only. Candidates who are eligible to apply for the post of lecturer in the jurisdiction of the member states, there will be certificate and the validity period of certificate forever.
Yes.
Next exam is IR UGC NET. This exam is for teachers.
PRT, TGT, and PGT. Yes.
Government teachers. These are the exam for teachers. Government teaching job is the very good professionals, reputed and growing job in India. In this article, we are providing government teaching jobs. There are 3 levels for teaching jobs such as PRT, TGT, and PGT. PRT teacher can teach up to 1 to 5th level.
Yes. Yes. Primary
teacher 10th level. And PGT can teach up to 12th level. Secondary Education Service Selection Board conducts TGT, PGT requirement examination.
Yes.
Next, qualification for teacher, B.Ed. Candidates who have finished their masters with a minimum of 50% marks can appear for this exam. The age limit candidates is 20 years. 28 years, a relaxation of 5 years is available for the backward category and women.
Yes.
Next qualification, MAD. Those who are appearing for this examination must have cleared their bachelor's from any accepted university. The score that is required for the admission of candidates into this course will vary in each university.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for giving me.
Okay, nice. Nice. I learned a lot of information about Indian education system, and I have learned. I have familiar so many Indian words from your presentation. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Hope, inshallah,
Thank you, sir.
we will. Can we start another session in evening 7:30?
Yes.
7:30.
7. Yes. 7:30. Yes.
Yes, in 7:30 we will start another session. By this time we will prepare our another PPT.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Then goodbye for this moment. Goodbye.